Digital transformation changes the way every organization, whether public or private, operates. The processes, the workflow, culture, and the systems are all part of the transformation process, which affects each level of an organization and brings together data across areas to effectively work together and achieve organizational goals. In its quest to foster this, Amazon Web Services (AWS), a Nigeria user group in partnership with Datamellon, a tech firm, and Paystack, has created awareness on how internet services can aid infrastructural development and business growth in Nigeria. While addressing tech enthusiasts and various stakeholders in the industry at the recent event held at Zone Tech Park, Bagada, Lagos, on Saturday, Mr. Osinau Hadim Beye, AWS Senior Solution Architect, explicates on the topic Accelerating Web and Mobile Development with AWS Amplify.
Building your application. To build your application, you can use different type of technology, and Amplify is built for mobile and web. So we support JavaScript type of framework. So we support React, Angular. We support also mobile. Like you can develop natively for iOS, for Android. We support hybrid type of framework like React Native. And then scale. So you build for 200 users initially, but it should work when it scales to millions of customers. That's how we design the solutions that we build. So we offer scale. For instance, if you can use our CDN, content delivery network solution that's called CloudFront, and distribute the caching around the globe. For instance, we are doing like video streaming, like Netflix does, for instance.
Mr. Chek Mahaman, AWS Solution Architect, discussed extensively the topic Artificial Intelligence Services on AWS.
AI, so artificial intelligence, is a technique that enables a computer to do what humans do. And what people don't know is that AI is not only ML. Sometimes in the past, before I would say the machine learning as you know it, the first intelligence, the first AI application that we had was like big in code. For example, in Java with if-else statements. That's how it started. So we said, if that, I will do that. If that, I will do that. Trying to reproduce what the human mind was doing. And then come the machine learning, which is a subset of the AI that's trying to get pattern from data. Because in the statement, it was more about, in the first part, it was more about if-else statement. So trying to go of, okay, let's take someone else and try to reproduce what he's doing. In the ML, it's more the other side. We go from the data, and based on the data, we try to build something that fits. The problem with the if-else statement is that it can be applied for one enterprise, but not applicable for the other one. And it's hard to reproduce that every time. Now, how we do that is that we go from the data, specific to the data, and based on that, we build machine learning. And then, which is, again, even deeper of the machine learning, using what we call the.
Speaking to Clear TV, Jamiu Ayinde, lead AWS Nigeria User Group, highlighted the importance of AWS in actualizing infrastructural growth at every sector in Lagos.
The AWS User Group is a conglomeration of developers, cloud enthusiasts in Nigeria. So as conglomeration of developers and cloud enthusiasts, we deem it fit that on a monthly basis or once in 2 months, we should organize an event like this where we bring in community people together to learn more about AWS, to learn more about the cloud, so that they'll be able to do more for the community and do more for their company and do more to the world. So this event is one of its kind, and today we are actually talking about AWS Amplify, which is one of the AWS service that is used in order to deploy web and mobile application. We also talked about AWS AI recognition. The artificial intelligence in AI in AWS is a simplified approach whereby different services that uses artificial intelligence can easily be used in AWS. So the event today is actually strategic, and we felt that a lot of people, they have learned a lot of things for them to be able to go back to their company to implement and also to use practically for themselves.
Favor Oyelami, AWS community builder, commended the organizers' tremendous efforts, adding that AWS offers lots of benefits to customers using the services.
It's a very enlightening one. I think the first session we have with Bome, we talked about making use of AWS Amplify. Then the other person talking about using AWS services for machine learning. So those are the things. They mention a lot of services, and I've grabbed a lot of knowledge on how to make use of some of those new services as well.
First things first, I think upskilling is the first thing, like one of the speakers said, because knowledge is where it starts. You don't know how to, if you don't upskill, you won't know how well to improve on a set basis on whatever field one is finding himself. So upskilling is best because that is where you get the knowledge first, and then that is where you can know how to implement it, add to it, and improve upon it.
Amazon Web Services provides a highly reliable, low-cost infrastructure platforms that have more than 300 cloud services available to use and make it easier for companies to go into business as fast as possible.